In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily change media upload quality on WhatsApp. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys. I'm gonna show you all the process from the beginning, and first off, you need to open up WhatsApp app. Once it is done, first off, get into a conversation in which you would like to send a media file. Then tap right here at plus, select photos. Let's say I would like to send that photo to the conversation. After we selected a photo, towards the very top of the screen, we can easily find that HD option. If we tap on it, we'll be able to switch media quality from standard, that is set by default, to HD quality, that is a maximum quality for that image. It says here that HD quality is clearer, standard quality uses less storage space, and it's faster to send. However, if you would like to send a photo in the highest possible quality, just select HD quality and then hit Add Send. That's how you can easily change media upload quality on WhatsApp, and if this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button.